Why are you taking on the baby's toes? Miss Molly. Is that Miss Molly? Molly? Yeah? Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Say hi, Miss Molly. Here's Miss Molly. Hi. Mrs. Molly is 4 weeks old. Yeah. Oh, hey, can you give kisses? Give Molly kisses? Oh, no. Good girl. Yeah. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Kisses. Oh, gentle. Yes, gentle. Good girl. Can you say hello? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Say daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy. Say mommy.
Mom.
Say baby.
Baby.
Yes. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
See?
Yay. Woo. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.